Don here from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Hey, let me give you guys some tips. This is a contractor tip. Okay, now the last guy that did their property didn't do the gutter in the road, okay? And you can see where he came out. And he just did right to there. Okay, now this takes a couple minutes, not even a minute, to do this down the road here. I mean, it separates you from everybody else. Now, I've heard people say they're going to upcharge for that. Really? Do you need an extra $10 to do something that's going to make somebody smile and be happy? I don't know. I can tell you one thing. When you do the gutter in the road and everybody sees it in the neighborhood that's been getting screwed out of doing it, you gain a lot of customers that way. This job came out nice. The customer was very nice. And Super Blast strikes again, folks. Have a great Christmas.